Greetings and salutations YouTube, it's Hedron here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today with a new video, but if you guys first of all love thrifting, Thrift Hauls vlogs, do not forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button so you're notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram. It's Hedron, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop. It's Hedron.com to see whatever sale from my thrifting adventures. And I promise you guys, once all this quarantining is over, we're gonna have a bunch of new thrifting videos. Unfortunately, no one's allowed to leave their houses. So I am doing the next best thing, and I am scouring the internet, going to different websites, Mercari, Poshmark, Depop, eBay, and basically doing online thrifting. And I have just been on the hunt. I don't know why, but I just got it in my head that I wanted to find as many Chanel wallets as I can in different colors. I wanted to collect the whole rainbow, and I wanted to get them at amazing discount deals and all that stuff. If you guys remember, so let me show you guys what I have unboxed already so far, and I'm going to link the videos for these as well. So I have like a bunch here. Oh my gosh. Now that I'm like holding them all in my hand, I'm a little bit like, oh my gosh, how did I find so many of these? So I have all these guys. I have 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Amazing. I got them at such good deals too. And I have a couple new goodies right here for you guys to unbox with me as well. So I'm very excited. Have them right here. Maybe I'm not gonna use scissors. I'll probably just like tear them open. I think it'll be fine. Okay, we're gonna start off with this one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this one isn't what's it called? Isn't a wallet, but it is. It's like, I think it's like a choker, and I saw this and I was like, this is gorgeous. It was a really good deal, and it was pretty much, well, it is actually like brand new. It still has the original tags on here. It doesn't have like the name of the tag, but it was originally $1,025, which is nuts. This is so gorgeous. I wonder if you could wear this as like a bracelet or something. Ah, there you go. Let's see. Can you just imagine if this was like actually a bracelet? That's like kind of cool. I'm just gonna try and attach it on anyway. Oh, I can attach it onto my wrist. Not that I would ever wear this as a bracelet, but you know what? Maybe just for this video, I'm going to keep it on. And hopefully also, this will serve as a good luck charm to find more more cool like Chanel stuff. Oh, check it out. Actually, it doesn't look the worst. But it's definitely a necklace. Okay, so I have 2 more goodies right here. So excited. I just have been having like, I know like the state of the world is kind of like a bummer right now, but I'm trying to find joy in whatever I can, and I just love thrifting so much. I haven't been able to go, and just being able to go thrifting, like finding stuff online at like great deals, it's kind of like making up for it, but nothing beats actually physically going to the stores and having fun and all that stuff. But here is the next thing. This is actually a lot cuter than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, so this is a Chanel O card case. This is in denim. Oh my gosh, it's actually super duper cute. I love the little details on here. There's the little denim flower, and then there's the Chanel charm, and then there's a I forgot what kind of flower it is. Whatever the flower is, and then there's the little CC logo right there. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So here it is when you open it. And this was really nice too. It's literally like brand new as well, and it has all of the tags on here as well. O card holder in blue, originally $550. There's a little authenticity card. How cute! There it is, made in Italy. This is actually super cute. I actually thought it wasn't going to be as cute when I got it. But it's actually really nice. And I like that there's like a little pocket here in the front. I feel like that's a really nice touch. And then the interior. Yeah, this is definitely like, it's either brand new or like new. I think they said it was new and just like never used. So that is so cute. Man. And I know this was like a really popular collection. I don't know, like Chanel denim stuff is really, really popular. I think this collection or this line is from 2018, I believe. And this is just the cutest thing. Okay, now let's open the last thing, which is in here. And also, like, I know I'm like, I know a couple people have been thinking I'm not wearing gloves, but I mean, it's pretty much gonna be the same thing if I was wearing gloves. I did like sanitize everything this morning as best as I could. And I know I've been tracking these things for like 4 days, and I think the maximum like the virus can live on these things is about like 3 days. But after I unbox this stuff, I'm not going to like touch it. I'm just gonna like leave it, and I have to open it because I bought this stuff online and I have to accept the items and make sure that they're right and like authentic and all that stuff before I can accept them from the seller, so that way they can get their money and all that stuff. So, you know, you just gotta open it. But here is the next thing. This is larger than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, I thought this was gonna be smaller. And I love it. It's so pretty. So this is a Chanel little pouch. I don't know if it's like an O-case pouch, but it's in a metallic silver grained leather with silver hardware, and it has like an enamel on the inside. It's really cool. So it opens like this. Oh, the inside is really pretty. Okay, so there's some tissue in here as well. And this one also comes with all the authenticity cards and all that. This one retailed for $450. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I love the inside. The inside has like a really cool like chevron quilted fabric. There's like the little Chanel thing right there. Is it made in Italy? It's cool that it has like it has the little serial number right there, and it's on a leather flap, but the leather flap, the sticker is actually facing the fabric, and the back of the leather flap is exposed, so like it doesn't get like damaged when you put stuff inside, which is actually pretty cool. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Oh, I'm so excited. How am I gonna part with any of this stuff? I don't think I can. I was like, you know what? Like, I'll get it and but this is so nice. I really like it. It's so cute. Oh man. And I love that these things came with all of the care cards and authenticity cards. And I am going to have all this stuff authenticated again as well, though I am pretty certain that these are authentic. But you can never be too careful. And then after I hear back, I will accept the items and then be on my merry way. But this is so cute. So we got these 3 things. How fun. Oh, I'm so excited. Man, I got these two things thinking like I wasn't really gonna like them too much, but I really, really do like them. Like the denim one, I don't think I would ever really use it, but I really do like it, and I feel like maybe Mom might like it, but I'm not sure because Mom's a little picky sometimes, and it is denim, but it's so cute. Let me know what you guys think down below. Which item is your favorite from this little haul of stuff? Is it the bracelet necklace, the necklace choker, or the denim wallet, or the silver pouch? I can't decide which one I like the most. I really, really like all of them. I thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me and just taking a little bit of your day to enjoy a fun unboxing with me. I love unboxing so much. I've been watching them non-stop online. I don't know, it's just like a nice like little escape, and I don't know, I just like to see what people find online and what deals they can get. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to say hi down below in the comments, especially if you guys are new to the channel. Welcome. So happy to have you guys here. Welcome to the Thrift Squad. Don't worry, thrifting is gonna start again soon. We all just have to band together, stay home, stay safe, and then once everything's okay and in the clear, we can go out and have fun again and be able to go venture into the real world without wearing all this protective gear, which is so crazy. So, but yeah, don't forget to check out this morning's vlog we have, or this afternoon's vlog. It's gonna be 2 videos today. I love you guys immensely, and I'll see you guys again bright and early tomorrow at 7 a.m. and also this afternoon. So vlogs are up at 11 a.m. and regular sit-down videos like this, 7 a.m. My brain is like not working. Alright, I'll see you guys all in the next one. Adios!